Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to set up Excel macros, updated. Enable the Developer tab and adjust macro security to allow trusted code to run. Start by recording a simple macro to capture a repetitive workflow, then open the VBA editor to review the generated code line by line. Make small edits to change ranges, add loops, or insert prompts, and finally assign a shortcut or ribbon button so the macro runs with one keystroke. In this video, I will show how to set up Excel macros, updated. Learn how VBA modules group related macros so your project stays organized. Adopt option explicit at the top of modules to force variable declarations and reduce runtime mistakes. Use clear variable names, comments, and short procedures that return values or perform single tasks. Test each procedure with sample data and step through with F8 so you understand execution flow and spot logic errors quickly. In this video, I will show how to set up Excel macros updated. Quick recommendation: try leak-proof meal prep containers when you test macros and pack lunches because tidy containers match tidy work. They keep food secure and save cleanup time between coding sessions, and they stack neatly in the fridge or backpack. If you want one, check the description for the link and other deals, and if you like this tip, please subscribe and like. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to set up Excel macros, updated. Turn off screen updating and calculation while loops run to boost performance when processing big ranges. Store values in arrays and write back in one operation to avoid row-by-row slowdown. Add basic on error handling to log issues and resume or exit safely. Build simple user forms for data entry and validation so users avoid mistakes and workflows stay consistent and friendly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.